And so I figured a good thing to chat about would be some common conditions that you treat. So I'm just going to list the condition and then you can kind of let me know what we should know. So the first one is one that I think a lot of people have heard about, carpal tunnel. What
Mhm.
should people know about carpal tunnel?
So carpal tunnel is so it's one of those diagnoses that people always think they have, just because it's so common. It is actually the most common condition that I treat, and it's essentially numbness of the fingers. The nerve passes underneath a band here, and that forms the roof of the carpal tunnel. So the nerve is sitting inside the carpal tunnel. As it passes underneath that band, it goes to these fingers, half of this finger. So you wake up with, so I immediately start doing this because if you see somebody kind of shaking their hand like this, I'm thinking carpal tunnel until proven otherwise. It's that feeling like your hand has fallen asleep. It wakes you up in the middle of the night. Just kind of when you're touching things, they feel prickly. That's carpal tunnel syndrome.
So tell me about that. Like, can it come and go? Or if you're having any of that, is it going to require treatment?
So most carpal tunnel will kind of come and go, especially in the beginning. You'll kind of wake up with numb hands, shake them off, and then keep it moving, right? And so if that's the situation where you kind of wake up with it slightly numb and it goes away, I wouldn't think too much about it. If it gets a little bit worse, I usually suggest sleeping in a brace at night and just wearing it a little bit loose helps to kind of keep the hand from going into this position. I know we love sleeping like this, but this is the worst position for the hand and elbow. So usually I recommend just starting with a brace at night. Now, once things become disruptive to your sleep, you know, you're noticing symptoms throughout the day. It's starting to limit your ability to do things. And especially if you're starting to drop objects, that needs treatment. Those